What I've got to do, this is, since this here is the profile that I need, this is a bit that I've ground for another window project, and since it's a coping bit, you know, we don't have to be extremely perfect on it, but we're gonna get awfully close. And the reason I have to grind these things, because you can't buy these coping bits in a small router bit, so I've got to make my own, because sometimes, like this window here, I may not get another one ever, and then if I do, then I won't be able to find the bit, and then I'll have to do it again. Anyway, but this is what we're looking for. See, we're looking for this profile right here, which this one is awfully close, as you can see. So all I need to do is just knock this top edge off, and let's see, yeah, looks like I'm gonna have to cut this whole part across there, so I'll have to grind that whole thing off so that we've got just that part right there. Alright, I've got my profile here, so we'll start grinding away until we can get this lined up to where it's really close. Okay, I've got my cutoff tool on there. Cut that off right there. That'll be about 50% of my grinding. Yeah, I'm cutting off little chunks. I don't want to try to slice it all the way across, because then it'll get bound up inside that grinding wheel and break the grinding wheel. Alright. Okay, we've got it cut off. Now we got to put another grinding wheel back on. So you want to grind your profile first before you start putting your relief on there. Now we gotta do this one right there. See, that's not too bad. It's alright, let's go try it. We'll stick it in a router and see what happens. Boy, talk about screwing something up. The other side looks a heck of a lot better. Boy, I totally messed that one up. But anyway, let's go try this over there on the window. All I gotta say is that's so close it hurts. So that's gonna work. May not be perfect, but it's a cope. It'll never be seen. Well, this is the side of the window. This is the top check rail, and this is the profile of the side stile here. Runs down the side. And so what we got to determine is the distance that we need in order to set in for the glass rail. Okay, when I ran the cope, this is what I thought it was going to be. See if I can line that up. See, I'm trying to get up here, right here to that top, which is right about there. And as you can see, I made it about a ½ inch too long, so I had to redo it. And then this, if I can get this set over there just right, there we go. Okay, so there, and then of course this is the top rail. This is really hard. That would come in, or the check rail, I guess I should say, that would come in and go on top of it. Let's see if there we go. See, this would go in there to be our top rail. I'm going to lay this out here in a minute. I'm just kind of giving you an idea. So anyway, what I'm getting at is the first part. See, this is the correct way. And that shows that the cope is back about approximately 5/8 of an inch to the inside part of that cope. And what I did the first time, I figured from here to here, which then made this too long, so I ended up having to make another bottom rail. So see, I did from here to here, not thinking about the cope itself, which means I went back an inch, and it's only supposed to be 5/8. So that's the dilemma you get in when you don't build these type of windows. This is a Marvin window, by the way.